Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to share your location in WhatsApp. You will be able to poison your position to a friend so that they can route there and know where you are. How to do this? You simply log into the app. Then you open a chat with anyone and click on the plus sign here. And this is where you see the icon location. We click here. Now we're going to be asked to confirm that the app will use your geodata. Click Allow once, or select the item we want. Now our lecture is shown. You wait a couple of seconds for the map to show a more accurate result. You wait until the accuracy is the highest. After we have waited, we click here and our friend is sent our location to chat. We see an icon like this. That's the easy way. If we want our friend to see our movements on the map, we again click plus and open location. And click share live location. And click OK. Now open the settings and enable functions so that they can see us. Turn on always. Go back in the application and choose a period in which to show our position on the map. There is a small selection here. We choose and send to our friend. Now as long as the time goes by, we will be seen. To stop showing our position, press stop sharing. This function is now turned off. That's the easy way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.